This is my second outing with the Beretta 92X Performance, and this is a day after Christmas, and believe it or not, it's 55 degrees out here. I'm going to fire 3 magazines through this and try to figure out which ammunition it prefers, 115 grain, 124 grain, or 147. And it should shoot tighter groups. First up, 115 grain Federal. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, now we'll try the 124 grain. What a soft shooting, sweet shooting pistol. I'm settling down a little bit, and it really likes the 124 grain. Now we'll try the 147 grain Federal. First shot always double action. I think the gun likes all bullet weights. $115 grain, and I'm sure it's me, not the gun. 124, and finally 147. Once again, I have no cameraman out here with me today. But anybody thinking about buying one of these sweet little pistols, you cannot go wrong.